Peptides are short chains of amino acids that help signal your body to repair, grow, or burn fat. For men, common goals include improving body composition, reducing visceral fat, and supporting growth hormone. Examples like tesamorelin or CJC1295 with ipamorelin may help, while BPC 157 is often discussed for recovery. Benefits can vary and side effects are possible, so medical guidance is key. For women, peptides are often considered for metabolism, body recomposition, skin and hair support, and mood. Options like AOD96, O4, BPC 157, or brain peptides such as CMAX and CLANC are discussed, but women should be cautious with cycles, pregnancy, and thyroid health. Always consult a professional. Follow at